1020 be addendum.
No, sir, please.
It is with 4 partners and same concept. What we did in the earlier question, same concept and point will be there. Complete silence now, no one should be talking. Vrunda, first what 2 things will be recorded? And before that, before that, Gina,
Cash.
very first we record capital and cash balances. Read it 50 times. Very first cash balance and capital account is to be recorded. Yes, I can hear a lot of noise in between. Keep silence. Put tick on capitals. Partners capital account credit side. Buy balance brought down. Meet is 1 lakh. Jeet is 75,000 and meal is 50,000. Yes. Did you understand this? And cash 26,000. So cash account debit side 2, balance brought down 26,000. Anyone having any doubts up till here? Now after that, from the balance sheet, Yuvraj, liabilities side, what will we distribute between the partners? Others will not speak in between. Which is up? Where will we write? Read it 100 times becoming partners capital on credit side. Sit down. It will come in partners capital account on credit side and will distribute it between old partners in old ratio. So by general reserve, as I said, a lot of noise keeps coming in between. Keep silence. Will distribute it between old partners in old ratio. So 12,000 in the ratio of 3:2:1. 12,000 into 3 by 6, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. Okay, 12,000 into 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. Understood that everyone?
Yes.
Then Khushi investment fluctuation reserve. Correct. Both of you write this 100 times what I am discussing. All of you be attentive on the asset side. What is investments? Siddharth Deveji. Asset side, what is the investment value? 60,000. Adjustment 3, what is the market value? 52,000. What is the loss? 8,000. This loss of 8,000 we will meet from the reserves. We have done it earlier also. Very first question of this chapter we did this point. How much is investment fluctuation reserve on the liability side?
20,000.
20,000. Write down there minus 8,000. So how much shall we distribute between the partners? 12,000 only. We'll meet the loss from the reserves. So only 12,000 will be distributed between the partners. Raise your hand who did not understand this. So both of you will write 100 times that investment fluctuation fund minus loss of investment will be distributed between the partners. Okay, investment fluctuation reserve minus loss of investment will be distributed between the partners. All of you are clear how did we get 12,000? Anand? How much is asset side investment value?
3,000.
And adjustment 3 market value? 60,000 investments, market value 52,000. So what is the loss? That loss of 8,000 we will meet from the reserve. So out of 20,000 of investment fluctuation reserve, we will subtract loss of 8,000. What will you distribute between the partners? 12,000. Did all of you understand this? So partners capital account credit side by investments fluctuation reserve. $12,000 into 3 by 6, 6,000, 2 by 6, 4,000, 1 by 6, 2,000. Understood this, everyone?
Yes.
What would be the journal entry for this? Raise your hand. What would be the journal entry for this if at all it is asked? Anyone else? Only 2 people in the whole class know the journal entry. Janvi,
Investment fluctuation fund account debit.
with what amount?
20,000.
Investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000
To loss.
to investments.
To investments. And to
What amount?
8,000. And to partners.
Partners means capital account
Need capital.
6,000.
G's
Jeet's capital account
4,000.
4,000.
And Neil
Neil's capital account 2,000. This would have been the journal entry to it is asked. So investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000, it gets closed. To investments 8,000 will minus from investments. Put take on investments also. Investments 60,000 minus decrease of 8,000. So outer column 52,000. Okay, investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000 gets closed. To investments 8,000 minus from investments, and to partners capital account will show it in partners capital account on credits. Is everyone of you clear with this? Any confusions in this? Then liabilities side. Adable, what else will be distributed between the partners? Yes. Workmen's compensation reserve. Workmen's compensation reserve is 15,000. What is adjustment? Fourth amount claim. Let us then minus 18,000. So does it become minus 3,000 or not?
Yes.
So nothing will be distributed between the partners. The amount is insufficient. How much more claim is accepted? 3,000 that we have to meet from revaluation account. So nothing will be distributed between the partners. But when you write if amount becomes negative, no amount will be distributed between the partners. How much more amount is needed? Minus 3,000, 3,000. So in revaluation account, you write on debit side to workers claim 3,000. I repeat, 15,000 minus 18,000 becomes
3,000.
minus 3,000. So that you will write it in revaluation debit side to workers claim 3,000. No amount will be distributed between the partners if amount becomes negative. And workers claim of 18,000 will come on liabilities side. Workers claim of 18,000 will come on liabilities side. Raise your hand. What will be the journal entry for this? To workers claim account 18,000. Partners, nothing is to be distributed now. Revaluation account debit 3,000. Workers compensation fund account debit 15,000. To workers claim 18. Now workers compensation fund account debit 15,000. The fund gets closed. Revaluation account 3,000, we show it in revaluation account on debit side. And to workers claim 18,000, we show it on liabilities side. Are you all clear with this? Next. Any other reserve to be distributed from liabilities side? Profit sharing fund, will it be distributed?
No.
It's a liability. Savings account? No, that's also liability. Asset side? Nothing. Now on the above date, they admitted here as a new partner on the following conditions. First, Mead sacrificed 1/8 share and Neil sacrificed 1/24 share, and then from their profits in favor of Heath. Which situation? Second situation. Sacrifice share is given. Let us first find the new ratio as we have been doing normally. So working note 3, Meet, Jeet, Neil, Heath. Old ratio is 3:2, 2:1. he is admitted. And what do you mean by from word? Sacrifice share, which we understand with the word from. That is 1/8 for Meet and 1/24 for Neil. Jeet does not sacrifice any amount. Only two partners are sacrificing for the new partner. Understood that? Raise your hand. First step. With the three? How will we find? Even before that, what should we do? Valerie?
Make the denominator equal.
First you make the denominators equal. How will you do that? Into 3/3. So this becomes 3/24 and 1/24. Are you all clear with this? Now we'll apply that formula of new ratio in situation 2, which was old ratio minus sacrifice share. So for Meet, what is the old ratio? 3/6 minus sacrifice share 3/24. Same way for Neil, 1/6 minus 1/24. Did all of you understand this? Put your pins down. I'll have to go urgently because my child is not well and I have to show him to the doctor on urgent basis. So I don't want to leave this question as well. So the adjustments are very simple. All of you put your pens down. I'll solve it very fast. You just understand the things and you can note it down. The concept is same what we did in the last lecture. So I just want to recollect and recap with that concept. Okay. So no one should be writing and speaking anything. Just understand it fast. Okay. Here LCM will be 24. No one will speak. Just be attentive. 24 divided by 6. 4 into 3, 12. And here 24 divided by 6, 4 into 1, 4. So 9/24 and 3/24. New partners share will be total of sacrifice of both the partners. So 3/24 plus 1/24. 3 plus 1/24, 4/24. This is what they are sacrificing will be given to new partner. Jeet does not sacrifice, so his share 2/6 will 2/6 will 2/6 will remain same. But to make it 24, we will go into 4/. Yes, silence. 2/6 to make it 24, we will go into 4/4, so we will go 8/24. 9 is 2, 8 is 2, 3 is 2, 4. Okay, silence now. Any confusion with the new ratio? Directly from sacrifice share we will get sacrifice ratio 3/24, 1/24, so 3:1. If you remove the denominator 24, then 3:1 is the sacrifice ratio. Are you all clear with this? Now, goodwill is valued at, look at the next adjustment, no one should be writing it. Goodwill is valued at 60,000 and he will bring her share of goodwill in cash. So first entry will be cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. 60,000 is the value of goodwill into his share will be 4/24, that is 10,000. And this premium will distribute between old partners in sacrifice ratio. So by premium for goodwill in sacrifice ratio will distribute it, which is 3:1. So 10,000 into 3/4, 7,500. Second partner does not sacrifice. 10,000 into 1/4, that is 2,500. Got it, everyone? Then third and fourth adjustments are done with the beginning investment reserve and workman's reserve. Machinery 60,000 against 80,000, so loss of 20,000. To machinery 20,000. And asset side machinery 80,000 minus depreciation 20,000, so outer column 60,000. Building is 1,26,000 against 1 lakh, so profit of 26,000. By building 26,000. Asset side building 1 lakh plus appreciation of. Who is talking in between? 26,000, so 1,26,000. He will bring 50,000 as capital in cash. So cash to his capital 50,000. Partners capital credit side by cash in his column 50,000. Then this language, capital of partners shall be proportionate to the new profit sharing ratio. Underline, taking his capital as base means we have to do those steps. And when you write the heading for those steps, old partners decide to keep the capital on the basis of new partner. And necessary effect is to be given in cash also, underline. So whatever balancing figure remains, we will transfer it to cash account. But when do we start those steps? After evaluations balancing. First we record unticked items. So liabilities side, workers profit sharing fund is 35,000. Then workers savings account is 40,000. Creditors are 23,000. Then here debtors are 40,000. Stock is 64,000. Did you all understand this? Now, balancing 26,000 minus 23,000, so 3,000 to partners capital account. Old partners we will distribute in old ratios, so 1,500, 1,000 and 500. 3,000 into 3 by 6, 3,000 into 2 by 6, 3,000 into 1 by 6. Write it later, understand the things first. Opposite side in partners capital account by revaluation account 1,500, 1,000 and 500. Now we'll make those steps. Be attended. Working note 4. How we make those steps is his capital is 50,000. His share is 4 by 24. So total capital first step we find as new partners capital into reciprocal of his share, that comes to 3 lakhs. Okay, and this capital we have to distribute between all the 4 partners in new ratio, which is 9:8:3:4. 9 by 24, 8 by 24, 3 by 24, 4 by 24. Now 3 lakhs into 9 by 24 is 1,12,500. There's 1 lakh. There's 37,500. There's 50,000. These amounts, third step, we will write it as closing balance. To balance carried down. 1,12,500. 1 lakh. 37,500 and 50,000. And as per the last adjustment, balancing figure should be transferred to cash account. If you do it one by one, for me credit looks more. 1, 6, 12, 19, 20, 21,000. 1,21,000 minus 12,500, 8,500 to cash account. In bracket balancing figure. Able to understand it, everyone? For G, debit looks more. So 1 lakh
minus 84,000, 16,000.
minus 84,000 is 16,000 by cash account. Balancing figure in this question we have to transfer it to cash account. Neil, again credit looks more. 57,000. minus 37,500 is 19,500.
19,500.
Then again you will transfer it to cash account. And this both are same. Here's capital was taken as base, so both the sides of here are same. Understood that everyone? This 2 will come in cash account on credit side by meets capital account 8,500 and by meals capital account
19,500.
19,500. And this one will come in cash account on debit side to Neil's capital account, Jeet's capital account
16,000.
16,000. Now, this capitals you will write on balance. Cash balance you will write on and balance sheet must continue with the things. Tomorrow is holiday, so directly on Wednesday we'll have no classes. Illustration 26 and exercise 15. These both are objective questions only on the steps. Directly you have to do the steps and make only partner's capital account. Only last part of partner's capital account is to be shown. So these two objective questions you will try on your own by day after tomorrow. Okay? 2 more lectures this chapter will get over. Bye everyone. Bye.